Cześć, tyle jest Mandala.
Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn with some example to see the days in a week. Here we have example sentences. Example, 배춘. In Tibetan we say 배춘 for example. Sentences, in Tibetan we say 직접. So example sentences, in Tibetan we say 배춘 직접. 배춘 직접. So 직접 is sentence. So we have the first sentence, 직접. Go to school on Monday. Sa tawa lobdalato. Sa tawa. So we have already learned sa tawa means Monday. Go to school. Lobdalato. Lobda, school. La, at. Do, to go. Sa tawa lobdalato. Sa tawa lobdalato. Go to school on Monday. Sa tawa lobdalato. Sa tawa lobdalato. And Tuesday we have already learned. Tuesday in Tibetan we say sabmigmar. And the second sentence that we are going to learn is buy milk from market on Tuesday. Sabmigmar tomne woma nyu. Sabmigmar Tuesday. Tomne. Tom is market. Ne is from. Tomne from market. Woma milk. Nyu buy. Buy milk from market on Tuesday. Sabmigmar tomne woma nyu. Sabmigmar tomne woma nyu. Buy milk from market on Tuesday. Sabmigmar tomne woma nyu. Wednesday. Salhakpa. Wednesday. Salhakpa. Wear Tibetan dress on Wednesday. Salhakpa la pöcheku. Wear Tibetan dress on Wednesday. Salhakpa la pöcheku. Salhakpa la pöcheku. We already know that Salhakpa means Wednesday. La is at or on. Pöche, Tibetan dress. Pöche, Tibetan dress. Kö, to wear or to wear. Wear Tibetan dress on Wednesday. Salhakpa la pöcheku. Thursday. Sapurpu. Thursday. Sapurpu. Painting on Thursday. Painting. Rimuti. Rimuti. Painting. On la. Sapurpu la rimuti. Sapurpu la rimuti. Painting on Thursday. Sapurpu la rimuti. Friday. Sapasang. Sapasang. Sing on Friday. Sing. Shetang. La on. Sapasang la on Friday. Shetang. Sing. Sing song. Sapasang la shetang. Sapasang la shetang. Saturday. Sapempa. Saturday, Sapempa. Climb, Zik. Climb, Zik. Mountain, Ri. Mountain, Ri. Sapempa, Rila, Zik. Climb mountain on Saturday. Sapempa, Rila, Zik. Sapempa, Rila, Zik. Sunday, Sanima, Sunday. Sanima, enjoy. Kiputang, enjoy. Kiputang, enjoy Sunday. Sanima, Kiputang. Sanima, Kiputang. This is the end of the second part of this video about how to say days in a week in Tibetan. Hope you have learned something new in this video. See you again in the next video.